Meanwhile, the Hanover police say one of the island's most wanted persons, who has been linked to over a dozen murders in the parish, was fatally shot last night. He has been identified as leader of the One Voice gang, Shenarda Leslie, who the cops say had been terrorizing communities in Hanover for over 2 years. Several items, including a firearm, 40 rounds of ammunition, 2 face masks and a knapsack with toiletries, were taken from Mr. Leslie's body. He had been eluding the cops for months. Head of the Hanover Police Division, Acting Superintendent Sharon Beeput, says Leslie, the leader of the Hanover-based One Voice gang, was among a group of men who fired at them during a police operation. The cops returned the fire and Mr. Leslie was later found with bullet wounds. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Superintendent Beeput says her team is determined to dismantle the One Voice gang.
The entire division, yes, we are relieved as also community members. The citizens are very relieved, especially within the community that this gentleman lives in the Mount Pleasant area, as also other surrounding communities. We just want to reassure the citizens that we will continue to pursue the other persons. The next persons on the list, we are going to continue to pursue them, and we are seeking their assistance also to help us in the fight against crime. Or we remain with our intention for the division to disrupt and dismantle the gangs operating in our space.
Superintendent Beeput has also cautioned police personnel in Hanover to be on high alert as the threat level in the parish remains high.